Today I'm sharing the true story of a woman whose hip pain was so bad, so debilitating, she was told she needed hip surgery. But she didn't get surgery and she still managed to fix her hips and get back to doing things she loves, like hiking. So in this video, we're gonna go through her story. It's short, it's sweet, it's inspiring, and at the end of this video, I'm gonna share some free resources so that you can fix your hips and get rid of your hip pain too. So if you're ready, let's get ready to think right, move right, and feel right. So let me read Rachel's story to you. She starts off, I injured my right hip 4 years ago, and despite help from an osteopath and some interim improvement, it went again big time last December after an uphill hike. I was in despair. It seemed like it would never get better. So, ow, ow, ow. After 3 months of this, my osteopath suggested surgery might be the only answer. I didn't want this at all. I was only 45 and needed to be active with my kids and back in the saddle sooner rather than later. I found Upright Health's YouTube channel. Hey, that's this channel. You're watching it right now. And a glimmer of hope appeared in the dark. Slowly, gradually, it improved. After a month, I was able to leave my bedroom. It was a miracle. And honestly, that does sound like a miracle. Now, 5 months later, I can do stairs again, and I'm starting to be able to do some gentle hills too. I have traveled and camped this summer with my family, which seemed impossible before I started the program. How awesome is that? Everything has stabilized. I have built back strength and mobility, and I will continue to do the exercises in the Healthy Hips program so that one day I can achieve my big goal of walking the Camino with my husband. Thank you, Upright Health. That's me. From the bottom of your heart, your program has truly been a godsend for me. So just to recap, Rachel was in really bad shape. Her hip pain was so bad she had trouble walking, and she's a mom, she's a wife, she has a family that she wants to be able to do things with, and her hip pain was so bad she couldn't really do them. And non-conventional, non-medical help from an osteopath wasn't helping either, to the point where the alternative medicine practitioner, the osteopath, was saying, hey, maybe you should get surgery. This is a common trap that people fall into because you see a health professional, you hope that they're going to be able to help you, whether they're a medical professional or whether they are an acupuncturist, a massage therapist, and whatever silo that expert is in, if they can't help you, they just say, well, I guess I'll fall into the physically feeble fallacy, and since I don't know how to solve your problem, I'm just going to tell you to do the most drastic thing that's supposed to help, even though the actual research and science shows that the surgeries, they're probably not that good. So I just wanted to share Rachel's story with you today so that you get an idea of what's possible, how bad things can get, and how good things can get, and how quickly sometimes they can get. This is only after 5 months of dedicated exercise. She's getting her life back and is seeing that big glimmer of hope that she's going to be able to do that long hike that she wants to do with her husband. So whatever state you're in with your hip pain, remember that there is hope, that you might actually be able to fix your own body, that you might be able to do things that you didn't think possible, and that when you're given a prescription for surgery, it doesn't necessarily mean you have to get it. So I know for me personally, in my 20s, things were falling apart. The idea of being able to even move in a tree, climb a tree, squat down low, get into awkward positions seemed impossible, and I wasn't sure that it was ever going to be possible, but it is possible, and I'm now close to my mid-40s, and a lot more is possible. So I want you to know that a lot more is possible for you too. If you have hip pain and you want to fix your hips like Rachel has been doing for the last few months, be sure to check out the Healthy Hips program at uprighthealth.com/DIY. For free resources to help you with your hip pain, be sure to check out the BRB Body Rebuilding Basics program. That's got some free workouts that'll help you rebuild your hips, your back, your shoulders, your everything. So go check that out. And if you want more videos to help you specifically with your hips, make sure you check out the description box and also this video right here, or maybe this one. Like, share, and subscribe with the bell notification on. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Wasn't so bad.